Hey, it's David here from Coder. I wanted to talk about how Coder is using our own Coder task feature and how we're starting to think about it and implement it into our own workflows. So here I have this GitHub issue within our Coder repository. Long story short on what the ask here is to create a preview link so that whenever we create a documentation related pull request, that we then comment on that pull request with a link to that documentation. So how Coder is starting to think of and use our own task functionality is we built an internal workflow such that when you go through and add this label here, so you see the triage label here, that automatically kicks off a GitHub workflow that will then first comment on the issue. So here you can see that this GitHub Action bot commented here. It created a task. So what this does is it creates a task within a workspace that will then try to go through and handle this entire issue for us using Claude Code. So here we can see the underlying GitHub action. So it's setting up the job, it's getting the coder username from the actor, and then it's creating the actual workspace and the task for us to go through and take care of the ask that we have in the issue right here. So then I can actually go through and open up the task in the workspace that we created. So let me open this up. And here we can see Claude Code over here. It has the input. So the input is the actual request that came within the GitHub issue. And then here we can see the entire code server off in our right hand in case, say, I wanted to go through and evaluate the underlying code. And then I can continue to work with the code. I can continue to work with the underlying code changes that Claude Code proposed here. I can prompt it to create a pull request for me, or I can go through and say, hey, you didn't do this exactly like I wanted. Can you go through and change the code so it meets company standards, for example? So I just wanted to quickly highlight one use case for how we're using Coder Task. Thanks.